guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I thought I would share with you all of the baby gifts that I picked up for my sister-in-law and my brother's baby shower, which will be on Saturday, which is actually going to be the day that you are watching this video. I am going to be leaving Thursday for Tennessee so I can spend the weekend with my family and attend my brother's baby shower, and I'm very, very excited. This is my brother's and his wife's first baby. They have been together for probably about 12 years or so, and this is their first little guy that they're going to be adding to their family, which we're very, very happy about and blessed as well to know that my brother's actually going to be having a baby. So my baby brother is actually having a baby. We can't believe it. But anyway, so we're so excited about it, and I got a couple of things that was on her gift registry. She is registered at Target, so I went ahead and picked up a few of the things that she has on her registry, and let's go ahead and get started with some of the baby items that I picked up for my brother and his wife. Okay, so first things first, this is I went into Walmart first, and I've already gotten them a bunch of stuff. Like, I've gotten them some books, I've gotten them a ton of clothes from just all of Target, wherever I can find stuff. I got a few things at TJ Maxx. I've already given all that stuff to them, but this is the stuff that I'm going to be actually giving them for their baby shower. So I stopped into Walmart, and she's due in January. So I knew that in January it's still going to be a little chilly there, and the baby's probably going to be a little small, tiny baby. All right, this one just has a cute little stripes on it with a little puppy on the front, and then this one has helicopters, a little fire truck, and some cars. It's really, really cute. And then the second one just has some little stripes on it, but the front of it just says Daddy's Newbie. How cute is this? And then for these little t-shirts, I picked up this little packet of little pants that you can actually match up with it, so that'll be really cute. If they could find like a little sweater or something that could work, that way baby doesn't get chilly, you could put it on there with that. But I bought that. So cute. I love all the baby stuff that I get to buy. And then I saw this too, because I know where they live is pretty small, and I just thought this would be a really good idea for the baby's nursery, for the baby's room. It's just a 4-pocket like nursery organizer, and basically what it is, it connects to the back of the door, and they can like store stuff in here. And as you guys can see, it's kind of got, let's say, diapers in here, a little stuffed animal, what does it have in there, like baby oil, just blankets and stuff that you could put in there. But I just thought this would be a really nice, convenient little thing for them to hang on the baby's door, and that way they can grab things and go. This was only $8 at Walmart, so I really thought this was a good thing for somebody to have, especially to, you know, if they have less room, not a lot of room for storage. Thought that was really cute. And then of course the last thing that I picked up at Walmart was the baby's first like little Disney onesies, and these just look like this. One has Mickey Mouse on it, and the other one just has a bunch of little Mickeys on it. So of course I had to get the baby's first little Mickey outfits excuse me, and I guess next time I go to Disney, I will be picking up him a little outfit as well from Disney, or a little Disney souvenir for my little nephew. But anyway, had to have the first little Disney stuff. Okay, so the next stuff that I picked up was, this was the last thing I picked up at Walmart, and I'm just gonna throw like a bunch of little things inside of a basket, which I haven't collected a lot of the little things yet. This is one thing that I'm gonna add to it though, and this is just little clippers and some nail files. That way they can keep the baby's little nails cut short, that way baby doesn't scratch his face. So that was the last thing that I picked up at Walmart. All right, so the stuff that I picked up at Target, super cute. She's actually doing the baby's room in like little elephants and clouds and stuff, so I just thought adding more elephants to the room decor would be so cute. And I think she had this on her, I can't remember if this was on the register or not, but nonetheless, if it wasn't, I still picked it up anyway. This is just cute. One of those, I don't know what they call these, like a little security blanket with a little elephant on him. He's so cute. I love him, and he's so soft, and I think the baby would just love to hold on to this. So got this for the little guy. He's so cute. And then she did have this on her registry, so I picked up this cute little guy. He's another cute little elephant that they could add to the baby's room. And then I picked up several little outfits. These things are so cute. So this is just another one of those little like t-shirt material onesie outfits. This one came with a little t-shirt, a little pair of gray pants, and look how little. And then a cute little like yellow and striped little jacket that you can wear with it. And then I thought too, like, you know, they could wear those pants with it, or they could put these little pants on with it as well. Or these little pants can go with anything, but I thought these were super cute. How cute is that? Love these little outfits. And then this was on the clearance, so I picked this up because I just had to. This was so cute too. It's just like a navy and gray striped little romper outfit. This was on clearance for $6.98, so I wanted to pick this up. Cute little dump truck on it. And previously for me seeing this, I actually saw some socks that would look so perfect with it, so I picked up the little socks. And these are like the little gray socks right here that have little dump trucks on them, so those would be so cute. Or even these ones would be super cute with this little outfit. So I picked these. This is so cute. This is exactly what I would have dressed my boys in. Something just like this, super cute. And then I picked up, blah, 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 blah. Well, this is just their card. Cute little baby shower card, of course. And then I'll show you guys that in just a second. And then to go with the little elephant theme as well, I picked up this cute little blanket that has like little elephants on it, little lammies and sheeps. It's just so cute. I love the baby elephant is, you know, holding on to mama's tail. It's got a little giraffe on there. Super cute. And this blanket is so soft. It's almost like a quilty material, but it's just, I love it. It's super soft and cute. And then I got this cute little outfit. This is a newborn outfit, so baby can probably wear this when baby is born. Like I said, he's gonna be born in January, so this is gonna be really perfect for, you know, him to wear. And I love the little colors, and then on the front it has a cute little rhinoceros on it. Cute as can be. Cute little footies to keep his little feetsies warm. He's gonna look adorable in this. And then the last little outfit that I picked up for him was this, and this is just a cute little like pajama little outfit with little feetsies again to keep his little feeties warm, and it's got cute little like dinosaur on it. Super cute. And this is a 3-month size, so I figure he'll be able to wear this, you know, probably for a good 2 months or so, and that's perfect for the winter weather. So it's, you know, January-ish, February, March, so that'll probably get him through the March season. So how cute. And then lastly, this is the thing that they had on their registry as well. Let's see if I can pull this over here. Woo! This thing. This is one of their, this is that baby ingenuity. I don't know how to pronounce it, but whatever. It's just a little baby bouncer, and it's super cute. So it's got cute little like lions and elephants on it. I love all the colors. So this is what they picked out. So this is what I got for them. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm not going to wrap it, this box. I'm just gonna actually put a bow on it, and yeah, put a bow on it and be done with it. But all the other things I do have a little bag for. This is their baby shower card that I got, just a simple cute little baby shower card. But this bag is so cute. Look how cute this bag is. It's like Noah's Ark bag, super cute with all little animals in it. So I'm gonna put all of the things that I purchased for them inside of this bag. And then this is the little green tissue that I'm gonna put inside the bag as well. So super cute, I absolutely love it. It's been so much fun shopping for a baby. And I'm continuing to shop for my little nephew, and I'm very, very excited to do so. So if you guys really enjoyed this video and me sharing with you guys what I bought for my brother's baby shower, give this a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time in Wonderland. Bye.